Hi, hello there, informed beauties. Your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today I'm coming to you guys with a quick video on how to allow your skin to breathe, or ways that you can allow your skin to breathe. And by me saying skin to breathe, or by me saying skin to breathe, it's just some ways that you can allow your skin to rejuvenate, to heal. Just simple ways, especially if you are experiencing breakouts or any other skin problems, and just in general. Okay, so let's get into it. Number one, makeup. All right, so if you are like me and you wear makeup about 5 to 6 days out the week, pick a day and don't wear any makeup at all. Depending on if you are someone who is a heavy makeup wearer, so if you wear a lot of like heavier coverage, that can clog the pores, that can smother the skin, and that can cause you to have more breakouts and more issues with your skin. So it is very important to make sure that you are thoroughly cleansing your skin and just allowing a day for your skin to just breathe. Now, tagged into that would be giving your skin some TLC. Especially if you are a makeup wearer, it is very important that you cleanse the skin. It is very important that you use a good face mask. Make sure everything is removed. Give your skin some love, a face mask, a great moisturizer, and just for the rest of the day, let your skin be. Okay, let it heal. Let it just do its thing. Okay, if you are having breakouts, this is also very important to just let your skin have nothing on it. I know we all, women, we like to look good, we want to have our makeup on, but if you're having a really bad breakout, it is very important to just let your skin go through its phase. Treat the area, of course, but just go ahead and just let it be. No makeup. All right, nothing. 2, less is more with product. Okay, we talked about this before in a video where I see a lot of women using like 5 to 10 products in their skincare regimen. And I mean, I feel like when you use too much, like if you're using too many creams and too many serums, you're just packing them on one another. You're not getting the full benefit out of each one, and I feel like it can smother the skin. The skin can't absorb all of that, so that is just all sitting on your face, accumulating. It can cause new breakouts. It can cause you to have more issues with your skin, maybe even irritation. So I always say that less is more. Just cleansing your face and using a moisturizer sometimes, just backing down with using so many products so that you can get the best out of your products anyway. But less is more with products, people. And thirdly, this is geared more towards oily prone people or oily prone skin. Your girl here, and I've done this a few times and it's worked for me, so maybe it may work for somebody out there, right? All right, so what I do is that, let's say I've had a really oily day and my skin has just, I'm really oily. You can wipe my face and have a pool of oil on your finger. What I do is I cleanse my face thoroughly, and I don't put any moisturizer on. Now, my skin usually is tight a little bit, like after I cleanse my face, but I'm like, wait for it, give it a moment, and in no time, that oil is just coming back in. So this works out for me, and it could work out for somebody else, or for you, but this works out for me because I feel like it cleanses off all that oil, and then it allows whatever oil behind it to just come through and do its thing. And then in the morning time, I will cleanse my face again and apply my moisturizer throughout the day. But I just feel like when you have makeup accumulated with oil on the skin, it's a lot, and I don't like to go in and cleanse my face and then re-moisturize and then have oil come back through. So that could be a little tip for you guys out there who are oily, acne prone like your girl. Now, that last tip is very customizable. Like, that is something that you have to see if it works out for you, because some people can cleanse their face and they'll just be tight all night, or it'll just be really tight and you'll be dry. And if you are dry, I really don't suggest that tip for you. Okay, that's more for oily prone people. All right, so yeah, you guys, hopefully these tips on how to allow your skin to breathe were helpful. If you guys have any questions, you guys can always leave them down below. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.